As the digital timer runs, the AI generates a photorealistic design in moments, contrasting with the detailed human creative process.
Let's compare both results. The AI completes it in seconds, while the human take takes time for details.
Can AI create a thumbnail that gets more clicks than a professional designer? Let's compare.
Can AI edit a video faster than a professional editor? Let's give them the exact same footage and find out.
The AI automatically stabilizes shaky footage, adjusts colors, and adds smooth transitions.
While AI offers speed, the human touch provides cinematic quality, evident in the color grading and precise audio synchronization.